All right, all right. I am here on the second day of recording and hope y'all are doing well. So, I just learned about a new robot that we have in our group. There's a new Chinese robot called Moya. You all may or may not have heard about this. This has been around since kind of like not too long ago, but I found out about it just recently today, about an hour ago. So this Moya robot is being built by a company called DroidUp. Let me just share my screen so that you all can see what I'm looking at. Moya Robot is built by DroidUp, a Chinese robotics company based in Shanghai. And the company was launched, look at here, just 2023, not too long ago, very recently, right? In terms of like, this this great work that they've delivered in such a short time, this is significant and amazing. So the specialization of this DroidUp company is a company focuses on fully biomimetic embodied intelligent robots. The robot features, these are some specifications you can take a look at. Moya is 1.65 meter tall and 32 kilogram humanoid designed for high fidelity human interactions. And this is pretty interesting, including realistic facial expressions, eye contact, and 92% human-like walking gait. So, and these are the rest of the information. I'm very interested in this. Let's go down here and all right, let's see what Google shows. Let's check the AI mode and let's take a look. Biomimetic embodied intelligence, an emerging field that integrates biological principles, physical form, and okay, pretty interesting. So that's a very, very interesting to create a robot that interacts naturally with their environment. So basically what it says here, it says an computational intelligence to create robots that interact naturally with their environments. So I guess it learns from its environment, and it's better not to say it copies, but it interacts, like using those learnings and putting it into work. So that's pretty interesting. This is a face of the Moya robot that I got in this video. So from Mike Khalil, I believe. All right, let's see. I was trying to let's search up Moya DroidUp. Let's see if we can find DroidUp here. Let's go back here. DroidUp. That's their video, obviously, and I think it's in Chinese. Let's see.
When it thrills.
Let me go back here. All right, come on. All right, look at here. They are really great, looks like, based on what I see here. Okay, I don't want translation for now. Just scrolling down. All right, maybe let's do it. All right, so solutions that fit practical applications. Look at here. I like to see more videos. All right. Hey, Moya, can we put you next to Optimus and have a challenge going on? I'd like to see who wins, right? So let's take a look at this video. And after this is...
Hi, Moya. 你看他已经开始看着我了哈，因为他的眼睛的背。Hi, Moya. 你看他已经开始看着我了哈，因为他的眼睛的背后其实是一个摄像头，它识别到我以后就可以看着我和我对话，这样的话就更有人感。那其实包括他身体的温度，包括他的皮肤以及他肌肉一些质感，都比以前的机器人更像人。
我们知道现在市面上你看到机器人的外壳都是硬的，是吧？就是冷冰的机器。真正服务于我们人生活的机器人呢，它。
like make it exactly look like a human, which is interesting. I believe. Let me come back here. I believe in future this will happen. Just look what Neuralink is doing. So we have already like there's a company, not just one. There's many more, I believe, but Neuralink as a leading company in this field, or among one, or those that are leading, um, have been completely able to establish a relationship between our body and a chipset to communicate and send signals and send orders or whatever you call it. So I believe this will happen in the future um, where our bodies and humanoid robots will. It's a scary thing to say, kind of like say too soon. We're not there yet, but these two will emerge, and it can happen in many great ways. And you may not believe it yet, um, but it's happening. The merging of humanoid robots and real humans' bodies into each other. It can be done in many great ways for medical purposes. Let's say just as a start um, for this, and it can be done through many other things. So like space explorations. But let's just like imagine. Um, I'm like some. Like any other human, we have two hands, right? So imagine we have a humanoid robot feature that will be able to have another hand attached or merged to my body so that I have three hands. Like from here, and I can do more work. Like I have one hand here, and I have two hands, like this on this side, and just for getting more help. As soon as you connect it to your body, it'll just feel all your senses and all your nerve system motions and everything, and it'll just like get the orders from your brain and acts exactly the same as like this hand is doing. So like if I need to grab something, having three parts or three hands to lift something up sometimes can be much easier, right? So or imagine when you're rock climbing, having two other legs attached to your legs. So it's crazy. I mean, these are just like my imaginations, but obviously this can really happen. So we're gonna see. Let's go back to my desktop and see what I have up here. This is I don't know what is this, but I just had that up and we searched about that. No, this is not Moya. All right, and that was a DroidUp. Okay, pretty interesting. Let's just continue watching here. The tutorial that they're using to build Moya. One other thing that I wanted to mention, let me go back here. What does this image tell you? Let me go back almost up to here. This is let's call it the skin part, right? The outer layer of the Moya or the humanoid robot. Let me come back to you all. So I believe this is one of the first parts of humanoid robot body that will get much more advanced than what you see. So, for example, humanoid robot may need an actual motor inside the body to move it around, right? Because of the movements that are required. But the skin, the cover, what you see from outside, could be one of the first parts that can be like I mean, to better say, biology and science can build and create something that can be alive, like something that is not just made of plastic or metal or something else, something that is actually live, is it is contained of whatever you can imagine on, that does get merged to the humanoid robot body to just like to be there. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
挖掘人形机器人运动蕴含我们的运动。
我们在2号的基础上呢，就是说把这个髋关节进行了一个更加的优化，让它更加的紧凑、拟人、轻量化，重量降低了60%，体积降低了50%，然后在不损失任何功能的情况下，就可以装到一个非常拟人的一个躯干上，可以做成更加美的仿生机器人。
Just like basic. And in future, let's go on. That's Moya. I like to know, why did they name Moya like why did they name it that way? That's pretty interesting. All right, I think that it is for today. It's been about over 2 minutes. I want to always keep it short, nice and easy for you all to follow. Thank you so much, and let me come back to you all. Thank you for your time again, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day and night, and we'll see each other tomorrow. Thank you, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.